Okay, nice. We're back. Okay, this is the imaginary professor and his protege, Elise Payne. We're going to try it again because this is some deep stuff I want to record in history. Um, my daughter, Elise, is dropping knowledge on what she understands as to how the earth that as we know it has been formed through a process, and I'm going to let her explain the process in her way, and then I'm going to ask some questions because she's nice with this. Okay, Elise, it's all you. How did we get here? Earth.
How did we get to Earth, humans?
No, how did Earth become what it is?
Well, so when
Earth was
an ice planet.
How did the ice planet form?
It formed from not having any heat.
And where did the moisture come from to form a mass of this size?
The sun.
No.
What?
How did the ice form to be this big? I mean, where did the moisture come from? You think?
It came from the galaxy.
From the galaxy?
Yeah.
Okay. You really don't know for sure where it came from. You're just saying that it did come. You believe in that it had to come from somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. So, once the ice planet formed, then what?
Then it started to become
over what period of time you're talking about?
Billions. It started to become a rogue planet, which is a planet that does not yet have a sun or stars or a moon.
Deep. I did not know that. There are rogue planets out there. Nice.
And
okay.
Once it met with the sun, the gravitational pull made it go behind a planet, which is the two planets that come before it, which is Mercury and Venus.
Okay.
And then billions of years later, the moon came, and the Earth's gravitational pull pulled it to make it go with it.
And the sun played what role in all of this?
The sun gave the Earth a gravitational pull.
Okay. And as we speak right now, in 2019, billions of years from the time this whole thing started to unfold, there's still gravitational pull happening.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you understand as to what is going to transpire in the next billion years? Or 2 billion or 500 million? What do you think?
Well, in the next 2 billion of years, there will be less oxygen on the Earth, and it will probably not have humans on the Earth anymore.
Why do you think there'll be less oxygen?
Because the sun is getting smaller and the moon is going farther away, and without the moon there is no tides, which helps with the 1% of water that is drinkable. And the sun is getting smaller, and we need the sun with sunlight. We can't grow food anymore. And the oxygen, and trees only give off enough oxygen for it to receive enough nitrogen from it, which is why without trees we would be able to still live, because we get it from the plants.
Okay. And what does climate change have to do with this process, you think?
Climate change?
Climate change.
Has to do with
like protecting the environment, reducing pollution, all that stuff.
Well, climate change, it only affects the Earth because the Earth, it doesn't only hold the oxygen and nitrogen, but when it gets released up into the atmosphere, it changes it. And so it just is like it makes the Earth less compatible with the radiation that we need from the sun.
And the ozone layer have anything to do with that? The radiation that could affect the natural life that's on Earth right now?
Yes.
In what way?
Well, the ozone layer is it's the protection of the radiation that goes in here. And there's only a certain amount of radiation that's supposed to come onto Earth. And if there's any more radiation that goes onto Earth, then it would end up like Venus.
Over what period of time you're talking about? Overnight? Billions of years? Millions of years? What?
Well, thousands of years. But by the time that even happened, I doubt there would be even people. And if there is people, then the Earth would be destroyed by a galaxy that is moving closer to Earth each time. That is bigger than the sun.
Have you ever heard that the universe is expanding as we speak?
Yes.
And what